Now that we're on the brink of the fall, I have a hankering for a kitchen filled with warm spices. Apple crisp with pie filling is the answer for a simple, satisfying fall dessert. Warmed up and served with ice cream, aka a la mode, it's hard to resist. The beauty of this simple apple crisp is that once you master the filling, you can use the same recipe for double crust apple pies or hand pies as well. The filling is an excellent go-to recipe to have in your repertoire. What is a crisp? The basics of crisp are similar to crumbles and other one-dish fruit bakes. It consists of a fruit-based filling topped with a crumble and baked until the crumble is golden and the fruit is bubbling. Crisps get their names from the addition of oats, which crisp up in the oven. Though the crumble and filling require few ingredients, they offer ample opportunity for creativity. You can switch up the spices in either of them. For the crumble, at its most basic, a combination of sugar, flour, salt, and butter. I like to substitute different flours like almond meal or whole wheat, add nuts, or do a combination of brown and white sugars. What you will need for apple crisp with pie filling. For the filling: 6 cups apples, sliced. ½ cup brown or white sugar. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon. 1 teaspoon vanilla. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Pinch of salt. ½ tablespoon rum, optional. For the crumble: ½ cup butter, chilled and cut into 1-inch cubes. 1 cup all-purpose flour. ½ cup oats. 1/4 teaspoon salt. ½ cup brown sugar. ½ teaspoon cinnamon. ½ teaspoon baking powder. Step-by-step instructions to make apple crisp with pie filling. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and lightly grease a 9x9 baking pan with butter or oil. Step 2. Combine flour, oats, sugar, salt, cinnamon, and baking powder. Work in the butter with your hands until shaggy crumbs form. Chill in the refrigerator while you prepare the filling. Step 3. Make the filling. Whisk the sugar and cornstarch together in a mixing bowl until no lumps remain. Add the apples, vanilla, lemon juice, salt, and rum, and toss until the apples are evenly coated. Transfer the apples to the baking dish. Step 4. Make an even layer of crumble over the fruit. Bake the crisp until the filling is bubbling and the crumble is a deep golden brown, about 30 minutes. Now the hardest part: let the crisp cool before slicing it. After that, you can warm up the individual slices, add a scoop of vanilla, and enjoy. Fall is on the table. Tips and tricks. Make sure apples are evenly sliced. A good sharp paring knife will work wonders. Cold butter is essential for making a good crumble. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.